Hi there, for today's read aloud, we are going to be reading Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. Give me a thumbs up if you've either read the story or listened to the story before. Alright, if you haven't read or listened to the story, go ahead and take this time to make a prediction using the title, Green Eggs and Ham, and the cover, okay? And if you have read the story, then just retell the story back in your head. Alright, let's get started. Green Eggs and Ham. Now, the reason why I chose this book is because we're focusing on what? Rhyming words, right? And rhyming words are words that have the same sound or sounds at the end of the word. So in Green Eggs and Ham, we're going to come across several words that rhyme, okay? And of course, I'm going to stop and point them out to you and say them, okay? So let's get started. Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. I am Sam. I am Sam. Uh-oh. Look at his face. Sam I am. That Sam I am. That Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Give me a thumbs up if you heard some rhyming. Do Sam and am rhyme? They do. They both have the am at the end of the word. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with the mouse? Okay, I heard some rhyming, did you? What were they? What were the rhyming words? House and mouse. They both have the ouse sound at the end of the word. Good job. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. He's getting really upset, isn't he? Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Thumbs up if you heard some rhyming words. Fox and fox. Good job. Not in a box, not with a fox. Not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Fox, fox. House, mouse. There, anywhere. Ham, am. So there is 4 sets of rhyming words. Right? Fox and fox, house and mouse, there, anywhere, ham and am. A lot of rhyming going on. Would you, could you in a car? Eat them, here they are. I would not, could not in a car. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. See and tree, do they rhyme? I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Okay. A train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you on a train? What do you think he's going to say, yes or no? He's going to probably say no, huh? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not, would not with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Fox, fox. House, mouse. There, anywhere. Ham, am. A lot of rhyming. Say, in the dark, here in the dark, would you, could you in the dark? I would not, could not in the dark. Would you, could you in the rain? Hey, we read a word earlier. What is this? A train. Do train and rain rhyme? Thumbs up or down? Rain and train. Yes, they do rhyme. I would not, could not in the rain, not in the dark, not on a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see. Not in a house, not in a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam, I am. Could you, would you with the goat? I would not, could not with the goat. Would you, could you on a boat? Hey, does goat and boat rhyme? Goat, boat. Yes, they both have the oat sound at the end. I could not, would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. It's getting kind of frustrated because anywhere, it's in all capitals, meaning he's just like, no. He means business. I do not like green eggs and ham. There they all go into the water. I do not like them, Sam, I am. He's telling him underwater, isn't he? You say you do not like them, so you say. Try them, and you may. Try them, and you may, I say. Did you hear some rhyming going on? What were the rhyming words? What were the two words that rhyme together? May and say. Both those words have A at the end. Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them, you will see. Thumbs up if you heard some rhyming. What was it? What were the two words that rhyme together? They were B and C. They both have E at the end of the word. They both have the E sound. So on this page right here, we're just going to have to read the picture because there's no words. So what's going on? A whole bunch of all these characters right here, and they're all staring at him, wondering and waiting to see him eat the green eggs and ham. They're wondering, is he going to like it? Is he actually going to eat them? Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam, I am. And I would eat them in a boat. And I would eat them with a goat. And I will eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and on a train, and in a car, and in a tree. They are so, so good, you see. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Look at him smiling. Is that the first time we're seeing him smile throughout this book? Yeah. So he just gave him a try, and he actually really does like them. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you. Thank you. Sam, I am. All right. I hope you enjoyed this book. Oh, let's see what it says. Sam, I am tries to persuade his friend to try green eggs and ham. I hope you enjoyed this read aloud, Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss always has great books that have plenty of rhyming words. So if you're wanting to continue practicing rhyming words or look some up, then check out some of Dr. Seuss's books. But what I'd like to do now is I want you to take a moment and think, what does rhyming mean? I'll give you just a moment to think about that, and then I'm going to share what rhyming words are. Okay, hope you have your answer. If you don't, it's okay, you can pause the video. But when we think about rhyming, we think of words that have the same sound or sounds at the end, right? So let's just go ahead and look at a couple examples real quick, and then you're going to go to the next slide and do a reading discussion. But, okay. Box and fox, right? Do these words rhyme? Yes. Why do they rhyme? because they both have the ox sound at the end of each word. Do house and mouse rhyme? Yes, they both have the ouse sound at the end of each word. Do ham and am rhyme? Yes, they both have the am sound at the end of each word. Okay, so that's just a quick little review over rhyming. All right, hope you enjoyed today's read aloud.